What's this unlisted business? Go away, unlisted. What's the point of that? Now my coffee's empty. I've been trying to get this stream up and running for ages. I assume the sound's working. We'll just go and play a YouTube video, see if the desktop audio dongle goes a beep, beep, beep thing when I play some sound. No, it does not. So you guys can't hear it. What's the profile? Properties. Default. There we go. Let's turn it down a bit. There you go. Okay. Alright, alrighty, right. I guess that's fine. It's hard to tell without, if I mute this. There we go. Let's turn it down a bit. There you go. Okay. Alright, alrighty, right. I guess that's fine. It's hard to tell without, if I mute this. There we go. Okay, well, that's the best I'm gonna get. I think my stream's a little bit choppy. That's what I got to deal with. We can get this happening on Facebook too. Okay, I made a video this morning. I'm going to show this up here. Hold on. Let's bring OBS over here so you can't see that. Here we go. I made this real estate. Look at this. Look how fuzzy that is. Because, man, I just got I can't show you my phone because it's currently sitting in the sun in a packet of rice because I dropped it in the toilet. Oh, God. Because I just got the screen fixed all of like a few days ago because there was a crack on the screen going right across the lens, making lens flares, and I thought I've got to get that fixed. So I got it fixed a few days ago, and then now I've dropped the bloody thing in the toilet last night, and now there's all moisture on the lens. So got lens flares. Got the same problem I had before. So that's basically why I'm doing a live, not because I dropped the phone down the toilet, because the work I was going to do with that phone, I'm not doing. Might have gone live anyway, but now we're just going to potter around, get some other things done. I've got a list of, I think in my, well, first we want to try and get this share working. That's why I'm in Facebook. So Karen Hansen just shared my post. Good for her. Dropped, which I appreciate. Love your share. Just a little reel about dropping my phone in the toilet. We want to go up here, go to me, go live. Live video, go live. How do I do this? Go live. Connect to streaming software. If we come back to, let's go well, I can't show you. What's it going to look like if I show you OBS? We get this nice tunneling effect, but I want to bring this up because we want to go to docs. I've got a plugin, multiple output plugin that I installed. So we should be able to stream to Facebook. Now, failed to connect to stream. Why? Oh, you see, now you can see my damn stream key. Shit. I'm going to log out then, because it'll make me a new one. No. Log in. Oh, I thought I might not be able to log in. So, righto, can't show you setting up stream because it displays my stream key. So we're just going to have to not show you. Live video. Go live. Well, get me on full screen here. Go live. Copy my stream key. Now, Facebook, modify. Change that key. Okay. Don't want to share the story. How do I set this? Connect your video source. Start. And that says here connecting. It's connected. All right, I can show you that now. Can you see this here? Connected. All right, I can see it coming up on the Facebook page now too. If I play that, cool. So I'm live on but let's grab the title, copy the title from YouTube. So yeah, you can see that. Take the same one. Why does everything always go wrong? What's wrong with that? Title required. What's wrong with that? Just red box. Is it too long? Oh, God. No, it's all right now. Description. All right. I think we're good. I'm not actually live yet. Oh, right. Go live. You can see my bloody stream. God, that shows off my stream key. So shitty. And I got to go and reset that again. I don't want my stream key live. Boo. All right, log out of Facebook so I can reset my stream key. Log in. Go live. Go live on there. I'm not going to show you. All that stuff must be. No. Look. Let's remove that title I just added. Are you kidding me? Why wouldn't it remember? Now, don't let me close this because it'll show off my stream key again. All right. Connect the software. Stop, start. I hope it reconnects now. Yeah, look. Stop. Oh, of course, I got a new key. Of course. That was the point. Let me go and add that new key in. Don't pop it up there, man. Now we'll try and start it. Oh, you know, I'm not even sharing the screen. What? Oh. Where's that dot gone? Now start. What do you mean I'm not streaming? Am I not streaming at all? Yes, I am. What? Okay. So I've got two OBSs running. This is the one we want. You can see my screen. I've got too many windows going all over the place. Start. Yay. Yay. Now, Facebook, don't show my stream. Key plain text on the page. Go live. Now we should be able to. Can you see this? Oh, God. You're live now. Cool. Right. So, live on Facebook. Now, Twitch. Let's see if I can get Twitch happening. Here's my Twitch. Okay, Twitch. Twitchy. I can't remember. I played with this last night. Offline. Customize your channel. No, I just want to. Where's the go live button? Is it really that hard? Like, it's just offline. Close, report. What do I do? Do I just straight up connect? Start. Connect in. That was easy. How do I edit stuff about the stream then? So here's my Twitch window. Can you even see? Is that what you're... I don't know if you can see this Twitch window. Yes, you can. Okay, cool. Title. I don't know. What category? Random. See? Yeah, people and blogs. Yeah. What? No, I don't know. There. No, it's that game. I don't know. I was just hoping to put in a description, but there's no there is no bloody description, just tags. All right, so we'll go to ChatGPT and get some tags from it. Not that. Create a list of related tags and yeah, just do that. Bam. All right. Tags. Live coding. Drupal development. Drupal 10. Course creation. Guitar breaks. Productivity hacks, huh? Okay. Yeah, I knew it'd end up saying that. That'll do. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. What's he say? All right. How come nothing's showing up here? Are we good? Am I live on YouTube still? Yeah. Cool. Okay. Why is this blank? It wasn't before. Offline, why? Why are you offline? You weren't before I went and added settings. And it says 5 minutes. It says live here. It's offline here. How can you be both live and offline at the same time? What's going on here? What is going on here? Oh, that's better. No, this is retarded. Why? Oh, there we go. Now it's up there. Okay. Are we live now? We're working. We're on Facebook. I thought I fixed this. Here's Facebook. Your current frame rate is too low. Please set the frame rate of 15 to 60 FPS for viewers may experience lower quality stream. I can't do anything. It's set to what it's set to, mate. Of course, OBS did its own thing, right? OBS is it's gonna be what it is. If I'm a bit jaggy, then that's just how it's gonna be. Maybe it's because I'm streaming 3 at once. Well, that's going to be what we've got. So I'm just going to guess, I assume these are all working fine. No. I mean, I wonder if it would all get a bit better if I went through my phone instead of the home internet. I don't know, but that was a big pain in the butt. You don't want to see that. Let's just go me full. Okay, I'm going to go get a cup of coffee. I can't take you with me. I'll be back in a minute and figure out what we're doing for today. Big pain in the frustrated backside. In there. Come in here. Come on. Here we go. Come here. Look. Look at my face. Look up here. Who's this? Who's this? Can you see this? Who's that? Look there. Can you see? Can you see you? No. You can't see? Say hello to everybody. This is Izzy. This is my sister's dog. Look at my face. You're not allowed to lick the face. Don't lick my face. Not my rules. Hey, they want you to not lick people. But, oh. Yeah. Aren't you a good dog? Actually, she's not a good dog. She's a terrible dog. Killing lizards. You run outside and you kill the lizards, do you? Do you? You bite them? What do you reckon? You want to hang around in here with me? And get your... You want to run around on the floor? There's a pillow down here you can sit on. If you want. Look. Okay, so I want to look at my to-do list. What was I going to do? I am wanting to fix all sorts of things. Got investigate setting up an RTMP server. Well, I don't know if I need that now. Because why? Because I've got a plugin in OBS doing the multi-streams. You can see my multi-stream plugin in OBS. See this? This is this multi-stream plugin is streaming Twitch, Facebook, YouTube all at the same time. Don't need to start that one because OBS is streaming directly, but cool, right? So I did want to do some things. Let's have a look at what else have I got here. Let's come back and look at this. Investigate streaming on LinkedIn and Twitch. I don't know about LinkedIn, but we got Twitch working. I think I'm currently, there it is, streaming on Twitch. I think. No idea. This video buffering, use low latency toggle under the advanced menu settings to disable low latency mode. See that? Use low latency toggle under the advanced menu. So, where's the advanced menu? Where's the advanced menu? Settings. Advanced. It's already on. Why did I give you a message to turn something on that's already on? My goodness. Runtimes. Close. What is this? Screen looks very strange to me. This Twitch one. Oh. I've got to go take that dog out. You want to go out? No, this way. Easy. Easy. So this streaming thing. This streaming thing. And this is the OBS window I'm looking at here. How does this look? We've got, see, that looks fine, but then when I go to Twitch, it's just the Twitch window not doing anything. Very odd. Oh, of course, it's not playing. Oh, right. Oh, okay. Well, fine. Probably should pause this one too. What's happening over on Facebook? Okay. Now back to this. Investigate streaming to LinkedIn, Twitch. Finalize script for intro Drupal lecture and record it. So I can't record it because phone's in the rice. Do I want to set up a business setup next cloud? No, what I wanted to do was fix the sound issue. Now I've lost the info because I had to reboot my phone and I didn't save it. Mozilla speech synthesis. That's what we want to set up. Oh, where's the one I was looking at before? What are you guys looking at? My screen. Come back to me. No, don't search the history. I just want to scroll through. Here we go. I'm getting this error on ChatGPT I want to look into where it's speech dispatcher required for speech synthesis API. You're seeing this because you've detected a problem when the page you were browsing was trying to make use of speech dispatcher. Now, can we actually see that what we're talking about in ChatGPT? We can. Yeah. Oh, now it's gone. See, it had the pop-up window right here, and when I took the tab out of that window, took it away. If I click that.
Certainly. Here's a list of related tags that you can use for your streams.
Well, bugger.
1, developer life. 2,
so what do you mean? Hang on, why am I getting that error? And then it goes away, and then it works. You can't see the error that was up here. God, tech life. Tech life. It says an error, says you can't do speech synthesis because it's not set up. Then I just take this tab out of that window, press this.
Certainly. Here's a list.
And it works fine. And no error now. See, that's the error I got. Why do I need to install it when the error is gone now? Okay, well, anyway, let's get off that then. I could work on the script for my course. It's a real pain in the ass that my phone camera is gone. Let's open up a script. This is I'm working on a course for. Just gonna shut this door. Working on a course for Drupal site builders. I'm gonna put it up on Udemy. I've got one up there already for which. You know what? I might want to rename that. I was thinking about it earlier. To put beginners in the name. Just to market it a bit better. So let's go do that. Let's have a look. Let's go to my courses, instructor. This one. And let's change it from Mastering Drupal. Can I change the name? How do I change its name? Beginner Drupal Content Manager's Edition of Course Craft. This might make a little bit of a difference in the marketing. We'll find out. Done. There's a task done that I just randomly came up with this morning. I thought, you know what? I might rename that. Because beginners, it is a beginner course. I don't care. Go away. All right. So now I'm working on a script for the next course. Been trying to get this into my own kind of like speaking language, you know. We can find that again later. Okay, right, so for my new course. Now that we've set up your Drupal instance on Pantheon, let's take a quick look around the Drupal admin menu and explore some of the key components of Drupal that we're going to cover course. No. Oh, where's it? Hey, hold on. Solitaire, hey man. Are you... no, I didn't. I didn't get the gaze working. The end result of that was you need to apply for that developer thing. What's it called? Whatever. I can't do that without a business email address. So that could be one of the tasks I need to do is set up a developer email address for myself. But I don't know, it's not a high priority for me, and I don't know if I'd get approval anyway. The other solution was to use that existing API endpoint that exists, right? You know, the one that's live on NVIDIA's. Let's go have a look. I'll show you. NVIDIA, what's the name of that thing? Oh, my brain. We'll find it. What's this? Some woman's name. What was it? Don't want, eye contact model. Maxine, that's right. So let's go find NVIDIA Maxine. I'll have a link to this in my website, don't I? That's how we can find it. We'll find it. It's on my website. This one, which I haven't published. Maxine Eye Contact. This link, you can upload a video or do it through here. And I still find out how much resource limits it gives. It doesn't say. But I can do it through this. So my problem's solved for now. I do need to look into... Ended up testing the GitHub repo for Gaze and it semi-worked. It was just a bit annoying manually working with the params. Cool. Kind of worked. Is it worth me looking into that? I could. Of course, the other option is, as you said, looking through the PCI pass-through on VirtualBox. Guess I could look at setting that up and then see if broadcast works running in the Windows box. I mean, that's a possible solution, right? But I can do it through this thing, so I don't need to. So just at a level of curiosity now, right? We want to go have a look? Yeah, I'll use that until I get limited and then solve the problem, solve that bridge when I come to it. That's what I think, but I'm curious. You know, you get the challenge. I want to solve it. I want to. There's a few paths to follow. I mean, I don't think it's going to hurt to apply for the developer approval. But that means I've got to go get an email address. Which is something I should do anyway. I should go and get myself a Bevan at Bevan's Bench or something like that email address. You reckon I should look at the pass-through on VirtualBox? Let's go have a look at that. Let's. I know it's 5 o'clock in the morning for you, but now you've put me on that path. Is this where we were before? When running on Linux hosts with a recent kernel, we read that yesterday. PCI pass-through module is shipped as a VirtualBox extension package, which must be installed separately. Now, I looked in the AUR, didn't I? Arch AUR for yeah, and we didn't find that. There's only these. I think they're the only ones. What have we got? Yeah. So how do I install that extension? Is the question. There was a thing. Installing VirtualBox. VirtualBox comes in many different packages and installation depends on your host operating system. If you have installed software before, installation should be straightforward. On each host platform, VirtualBox uses the installation method that is most common and easy to use. Does it now? If you run into trouble, have special requirements, please refer to installation details. Starting with version 4.0, VirtualBox is split into several components. Base package, additional extension packs. Experimental support for PCI pass-through on Linux hosts. This is what we were reading before. Yep. Okay. Yeah, but if I went with KVM and QEMU, and I've got to get my head around those because I haven't used them. But I don't like this that it says it's experimental. Might work though. VirtualBox extension packages have a .vbox expac file name extension. To install an extension, simply double click on the package file and a network operations manual will appear guiding you. What? To install it, simply double click on the package file. Does it assume you're on Windows and just says it works on everything? Like it says it works. VirtualBox uses the installation method that is most common and easy to use, depending on your platform. And then like on Arch does it, use Pacman packages does it. There isn't one in the AUR. What if you do Arch VirtualBox PCI pass-through extension? There you go, look, QEMU. You might be right, but then I gotta let's go. How do I install the extension on? Well, does this tell me where to download it? What does it say? Let's keep going. Essentially, this feature allows to directly use physical PCI devices on the host by the guest, even if the host doesn't have drivers for this particular device. Both regular PCI and some PCI Express cards are supported. Not supported. Mileage is going to vary. To be fully functional, PCI pass-through support in VirtualBox depends on an IOMMU hardware unit, which is not yet too widely available. Oh, it could be running into trouble, but how do I download the thing? All these conditions. Once you've made sure that host kernel supports IO, the next step is to select the PCI card and attach it to the guest. Now, I don't know that. Don't know that. I don't know about any of... I don't know if I support this at all. Well, I've got an AMD. Should we look at that first? Give me a second. Here's my system info, right? Why can't I zoom? All right. Let's do it this way. Desktop machine. Lenovo. Where's the CPU? Grab that and jump into ChatGPT. I am looking at setting up PCI pass-through on VirtualBox with a Manjaro Linux host. That's fine. Thing is, at the moment, I was going to work on my script and shit, but I got my phone screen fixed the other day because there was a crack right across the selfie camera, and I wanted to use the selfie camera to put up what do you call it, a teleprompter thing. That's why I wanted to use this eye gaze redirection to fix that when I'm using the teleprompter on the phone screen. Last night I dropped my phone in the toilet. I literally got the screen fixed 3 days ago and dropped my phone in the toilet. Amazingly, my phone still works great, works brilliantly, still charges, still runs, everything's fine, except all the lenses are fogged up, little water droplets. So I got that out in a thing of rice. So my phone's out of action for a few days. So I can't record those things. I could work on the script, but hey, if we solve this, then that's cool. And I don't know if I'm going to solve it though. I think we're running into all sorts of troubles. What do we want to, what was I, so I'm looking at doing that, right? So we want this page, my motherboard, and so my motherboard and CPU need to support, and I don't know what that is. The kernel needs it compiled into. How do I confirm that? Does this tell me my motherboard specs? So what that is? Mobo. Just give ChatGPT that whole spec then. And there's no way that a series of events happened over the last few days. Yeah, it did. Yeah. Yep. So my selfie camera is not bugging, it's just all fuzzy. Like I was getting, when the crack was on there, I was getting like lens flares and stuff. And it was a pain in the ass. And now it's all fuzzy and I'll get lens flares because it's the light reflecting through the little droplets on the thing. What do you do? I've been thinking about buying a new phone, but I bit the bullet the other day and got the screen fixed instead. It didn't cost me $150. I thought it was going to cost at least $100 more than that. But bleh. Bugger. What do we got here? ChatGPT is amazing for doing some of this stuff. Setting up PCI pass-through on VirtualBox with a Manjaro Linux host requires your hardware. Yeah, I know, I just told you that. IOMU allows a virtual machine to directly access a physical PCI device by bypassing the host operating system. Nice. Thanks for this tip, man. I didn't even know PCI pass-through was a thing. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to check if your hardware and kernel support. Check if your CPU and motherboard support it. To confirm, AMD refers to their IOMU as AMD VI nice or SVM. Run the following command in your terminal to check. Interesting. Okay. Oh, look, nice. This looks promising. That's the same command. Well, I can't do that in stream, but we'll be okay. I'll have to cut my stream to do that. That's what I hate about streaming, though. You kind of want to check on things that you got to turn your stream off. Anyway. Let's check if the kernel's got it compiled in. This command. Yeah, right. Okay. Checking the kernel failed because that file doesn't exist. Wonder what it's going to tell me. The output of the indicates your system supports. Yeah, duh. So we're not checking on the right file to resolve this, following them to try these alternative methods to check. Nice. Man, do you use ChatGPT? I swear it's like just made things so much easier as long as you check that it's not bullshitting you. But some of this stuff, if I had to Google how to check if my kernel supports this thing, I'd have been down such a rabbit hole. You can't see my monitor. Thanks for telling me. Look. Oh, hold on. Is that better? Is that better? That better? I didn't have it. I just had to switch scenes. In OBS, we'll learn. So now we've confirmed it's compiled into the kernel. The output confirms that the kernel has the necessary IOMMU support. So we saw this when I was looking at my screen before. We've done a grepInd message and IOMUs, all the modules and crap are set up with the AMD VI, and we've checked the kernel supports it, which is good too. And where was I? Down here. So this indicates that AMD IOMMU support is built into your kernel, indicates that version 2 of AMD IOMMU support is also included. With this confirmation, you can proceed with setting up PCI pass-through in VirtualBox. Right, so how do I install the VirtualBox PCI pass-through extension on Manjaro? I see. How would you know that? If I haven't installed if you haven't, and it's the extension pack, do so first. The extension pack provides including support. You sure? You can install. Too much info. That's when running Linux host go and read this because are you sure it's part of based on the content from the VirtualBox documentation, PCI pass-through module installation is indeed shipped as a separate VirtualBox extension package, must be installed independently. I hate the way it does. This ChatGPT, the links don't work. I'll put a plain text URL of the VirtualBox download page. Nothing else, just that URL. Wiki downloads, you reckon? If it even exists, it does. Look for the VirtualBox extension pack section and download the package corresponding to VirtualBox extension pack. Swap. Here we go. The extension pack binaries are released under VirtualBox Oracle extension pack. Support VirtualBox ADP disencryption, NVMEs, and PXA boot for Intel cards. Are we sure we're downloading the PCI pass-through? Can you do a web search for how to install the PCI pass-through? Sensing pack. See what we find. Reading this. Done that. Once you've made sure that the host kernel supports it, the next step, select the PCI card and attach it to the guest. Yeah, well, okay, we've got to install it first. Doesn't tell you how to do it. How to install extension packs. Yeah, we've already opened that. But this just links to the docs, not the download page. Hang on, which one was the... Where's the PCI pass-through? It was here somewhere. USB 3, virtual remote desktop. This one. But that just goes to that same documentation page. To install an extension, simply double-click on the package file. But how do I get the package file? Where do I get it from? Here's a link that provides information installing. See you, man. Thanks for coming. Check in again. I'm still getting the hang of this, so have a good sleep. I'll keep mucking about. You've sent me down a rabbit hole. Thanks for your help and your ideas and your input. Appreciate it. And see you next time. All these docs keep saying the same thing, which is but none of them tell me where to download the damn thing. That doesn't seem right though. Oh, it does say that. Does. See you, man. Currently, Oracle provides a single extension pack available from... This pack provides the following. Cool. Love how it doesn't go to the link, it just goes to virtualbox.org. But yeah, that's probably the one we want then, where we went before. So maybe I can install that from the AUR after all. That is what we want. VirtualBox X Oracle. Yay minus SYU VirtualBox X Oracle. Okay, so having that installed, let's go back and read this again. Once you made sure that the host kernel supports the IOMMU, which I've done, the next step is to select the PCI card and attach it to the guest. To figure out the list of available PCI devices, use the lspci command. Lots. To figure out the list of available, the output will look like this. grep Nvidia. That. The first column is the PCI address. That. In the format bus device.function. Bus device.function. This address, this is great, docs. This address could be used to identify the device for further operations. For example, to attach a PCI network controller on the system listed above to the second PCI bus in the guest. As device 5, function 0, use the following command. Note only PCI cards with non-standard interrupts. Okay, so get this to please summarize from this the instructions passing through my NVIDIA graphics card to my Windows guest. I have identified the PCI. What's it called? A PCI. The first column is a PCI address. To pass through your NVIDIA graphics card, I'm just going to jump over here for a sec, extract in. What's going on nothing. Fair enough. Let's go back to ChatGPT. To pass through your NVIDIA graphics card to your Windows guest in VirtualBox, follow these summarized steps based on the VirtualBox documentation. Enable. Think that's already done. I can't check without stopping the stream. Find the PCI address. You've already identified the PCI address of your NVIDIA graphics card. Is that right? Yep, 100.0. Configure the virtual machine. Okay. How do I find the name of my virtual machines? I only have one. VirtualBox is not currently running. You can find the name of your virtual machine using the VBox Manage command line tool. Great. So this. Try that again then. What did I do? What did I do? Windows 11. Unknown option PCI attach. Of course, I haven't installed the yes, I have. I just installed the Oracle extension pack like this. And but when I ran, I got this error. I don't know. Why did I get that error after I touched it? That shouldn't that exist now that the extension pack is installed. Just that plenty good. Doesn't say. Did it not install properly, maybe? Yeah, it installed. Yeah. Extension pack is available. Sure, the necessary kernels for PCI pass-through are loaded. Try that again. Right, so the module's not loaded. Okay. The module is not loaded. I missed that step. Where's the... Didn't this say about enabling modules? No, it doesn't. Where did that module stuff come from? This error message indicates that the VBox PCI module, which is necessary for PCI pass-through, is not present in your current kernel's module directory. This usually happens if the VirtualBox installation was done without ensuring that the corresponding kernel modules were installed or compiled. Here's how you can address this. Fun. All right. Okay, I got a package form fit. When running That's the generic one. Should I keep the generic one? Should I? The package conflict occurs because you have two different methods providing, which is a more generic solution than the Linux VirtualBox host modules. These modules are specifically compiled and optimized for the 6.664 for Manjaro kernel, ensuring better compatibility. To upgrade your kernel, you will need to install the corresponding virtual hostbox module package at the kernel. Plan to stick with kernel and do not frequently switch kernel. All right, well, let's see then, shall we? We'll switch to that. So we've got to remember, if we update the kernel, then we got to update the kernel modules. While that's running, how do we go? Okay. Okay, so having installed try the PCI pass-through command again. Oh well, I still get but we've got to install this. Yeah, probably. This still happened. Do Google Manjaro VBox PCI Manjaro module. I installed VirtualBox and it can't start the virtual machine. I tried to config with, but the SBIN is there no. Right, that's all. Need to install the packages. Yeah, okay, cool, we did that. To install the VirtualBox and kernel modules for your installed kernel, enter the following command in the terminal. Didn't we just do that? Yep. Once the installation is completed, it will be necessary to add the VirtualBox module to your kernel. All right, try that. Look, this is all the information needed before. The extension pack is a proprietary set of extensions providing extra functionality. The VirtualBox, like USB 2 and 3 pass-through, you only need these if you're going to use the functionality provided, and it is not required for blah-da-da. The final step is to am I a member of VBox users? Nope. Nope, not a member of VBox users. This is necessary in order to fully access the features provided by VirtualBox. The user variable translates to the currently logged in user. Well, I'm going to have to go offline to deal with that and come back. If you deem it necessary to ensure the packages are installed, please follow this recipe. It's ooh. I'll be back in a minute. Back in a minute. I got to reboot, I think. Can't avoid it. See, I get confused between things like guest and server. For those intending to use Manjaro under VirtualBox, you mean install Manjaro into VirtualBox as a guest? Is that what that means? I think I need to reboot anyway. All right, we're going offline because I need to reboot, and I'll be back. Thanks, cheerio. How do I end this? Guess I just do. End.